What's up guys, I just wanted to get on here and do a really quick video. A lot of you guys have been asking me on the hair products that I've been using. I'm not going to get into full detail, but I have been getting questions on like what products I use to style my hair. I tell them I don't wash my hair every single day, so you guys have been asking what I do to keep it fresh like this. My holy grails, like go-to products for styling is, I have talked about this, and this is the Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray. I've used a ton of other texturizing hairsprays before, and usually I'll just like curl my hair, and then right after I curl it, I'll run my fingers through it because I don't like the curly Sue type of curls. And then what I'll do is I'll just spritz a little bit of the texturizing spray, and then I'll crunch it up like this, run my fingers through it again, and my hair is just good to go. Sometimes I'll even flip it over and it'll just give me like that extra volume. But I don't use any volumizing spray, and I always get asked if I do. But your girl doesn't use any volumizing spray. I am Filipina, so I'm naturally blessed with the Asian type of hair. It's taken me such a long time to get my hair back to the healthy state that it is now, and I'm so happy with it. If you guys have known me for a while, if you guys have been following me, then you know that I was really crazy about dyeing my hair. I always had like 6 different colors in it. I went, you know, from like 6 different colors to I did the silver, I did the red, and it totally damaged my hair. So then after I got to New York, I just got to a point where I just stopped, you know, messing with my hair, and this is the outcome of it. I started taking care of it. I started taking you know, I don't want to say hair supplements because it was never hair supplements. I feel like when I started taking probiotics, that played a big role, a huge role in the health of my hair. And I'm kind of doing this video in a rush because I'm about to step out. But then the other product that I want to talk about is the new dry shampoo that I've been messing with. So this is the IGK First Class. I have talked about this already. Obviously, I still have a travel size one. Like I said, I've been traveling a lot for work, so I decided to pick this up. There's still a ton in here. I don't use it every single day. I just use it when my hair starts to look a little bit more oilier than it should be. So I love using this. You know, honestly, I was with the Living Proof dry shampoo for years and years, but this has got to be the dry shampoo that will convert me from the Living Proof dry shampoo. So I'm in the car now. Like I said, I was in a bit of a rush, but I really want to finish this for you guys. So a lot of people also ask me what hair tools I use to curl my hair. And you guys, honestly, I have been using the same Conair curling iron for the longest time. I don't do anything fancy. I hardly ever used to curl my hair, but I loved, you know, having like the loose waves as my hair got longer. And honestly, like I said, I've just used that. I don't remember how many inches or whatever, but I can find out for you guys if you guys really want to know. And then I can show you guys a picture, but like I said, I'm in the car, so I'm not at home, but it just gives me like these really nice waves. And then like I mentioned in my previous video, I just take 3 fingers, take it, and then that's how I measure out how much hair I'm curling at a time. I learned that from a YouTube tutorial. Don't ask me who I learned it from. I just remember I saw it on a YouTube tutorial once, and I was like, ooh, I want my hair to look like that. I want, you know, those type of curls, and that's what the girl was doing. So then I just went ahead and copied that. So shout out to whoever that was that I learned that from. And then I guess, I don't know, I forget what else, but you guys have been asking me so much questions about my hair lately. Not just you guys, but like every single time, you know, I'm out and about, people always have been complimenting me like more than ever lately about my hair. And I mean that in the most non-conceited way as possible. But I just thought it was super ironic that when I stopped doing anything to my hair and having people, you know, color it or style it for me. That's the most compliments I've ever gotten. Like, you know, when I'm out and about, when I'm at work, even when I'm just like randomly walking through the city, people will like come up to me and ask me about my hair, and I'm just like, what? Like, it's just so mind-blowing to me, especially someone who always used to do a ton of things to their hair. So I just thought, you know, it's so funny to me that it's been happening a lot. Oh, and before I forget, I have been trying another new product. I don't have a full size of it yet, but I will end up getting it after trying out for like I think it's been like a week or so. And it's been another Way product, and it's their styling cream or finishing cream. I think it's a finishing cream. I don't remember if it's like called a styling cream or a finishing cream, but I believe it is a finishing cream. So I read the instructions, and it says like you're supposed to do it after you're finished styling your hair. So what I've been doing is I've been taking just a very little amount, and then I'll run it and then put on my fingers and do this, and I'll take my fingers and I'll run it through my hair, and it just gives you the extra, I guess, texture, separation, and then a little bit of shine, as you can tell. I do use dry shampoo, but on my ends I like it to still look a little bit more shinier, especially when I'm not washing my hair every single day. And like I said, guys, this is 2 going on 3 days of no washing my hair. I do take a shower every single day. Don't get me messed up. Like, that's nasty. But I don't wash my hair every single day just so it can keep the natural healthy oils that it's supposed to have in there. And that's what I was told, and that's what I started doing. And it's obviously been working out for me. So yeah, guys, I think that's all I can pretty much say without going into like further details and like getting really in depth with it. But I apologize if my voice kept cracking in and out of the video. I'm getting over a really bad cold. And I guess if you guys have any other questions that I didn't mention or like talked about that you don't think, you know, would be really more in depth, please let me know. I'll try to answer it for you guys. I will try to do more, you know, videos where I answer your guys' questions randomly. But I'm really trying to make more and more videos. I know I always say that, but honest to God, like, I'm really trying. And so if you guys have any other questions, or if you would really like to see an in-depth hair video, which a lot of you guys have been asking me for, I promise I will get that out soon to you guys. And until next time, I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.